Here, Fishers. All right. I know everyone that's watching this has been completely in tune with my emotional state when it comes to Fishers.
Like a roller coaster is what you are. You hate it, you love it.
I hate it. I love it. And right now I got to tell you, I'm kind of in the middle here. I like the average days on market. I know on the previous slide I'm kind of hesitant to rely on that as much because I don't see that it exactly mirrors what we experience here at Red Door. So anyway, I'm fine with. I love Fishers. It's a great market to be a part of. Great schools, great quality applicants. Typically a very low vacancy rate. You have tenants that will stay for a couple lease terms at a time. It's a great market to be a part of, and not only that, it's a great appreciation. Fishers has done a great job of expanding the downtown area. It's a great market to be a part of. And then, if you're looking at the median rental price over time, I mean, it's trending up, right? I mean, who doesn't want to be? I mean, I wouldn't want to climb this hill. It's not Mount Everest, but it's still not an exciting journey up, But unless you're an investor in this area, then this is exciting, right? I mean, our median rental prices are trending up. They're starting to level out here come March, and our median rental price is over what it was the previous year. I mean, so that's excellent. Active homes in the market. We're up 5. It's almost identical to last month. So we're only up 5 additional active homes on the market. So that's pretty stable. Average rents, as we just indicated, is at $2,100, which is up exactly $100 or 5% from the previous month. Now it's the average days on market. And if my previous statement on the previous report might be true, then this is kind of I don't want to say a false figure, but kind of a misleading figure. And I'll continue to talk about that as we do market reports month over month. But 52 average days on market, which also I don't want to act like that's something to be super scared of because it's not, right? If you're in tune with the market, you're in tune with what's going on, you're beating this for sure.
And I got to remember, this is February's data. So 52 is not crazy for February.
Yeah, exactly. And you know what? I'm going to just jump. Let's just see. Average days on market here in our second slide. I mean, quickly seeing that we are way under where we were last year. So again, hopefully a more stabilized market data set that we're going to be portraying here month over month. But I mean, really, this is great. I should be jumping for joy. I mean, we're down 52. Last year, we were at 83 average days on the market. So I'm not worried. I love Fishers. Look at Fishers if you're in the market. Again, it's a little bit higher of an investor point of view price point to get into. I'm gonna go back to the previous slide here as I jumped ahead. But average sales price from your investor point of view, so we don't track anything that sells above 500,000. And there are, of course, homes in the Fishers area that are going to sell above 500,000. But in your investor point of view, they're going to average out about 339, which is up 2%. So it's pretty stable and it's up. That's no surprise. And I would expect that to trend up as the selling season, which we are quickly approaching. Number of homes sold, 52. Also, I expect that to trend up. We're up 52 from 46 the previous month. So average rents ticking up, average days on market. If you have a good property management company, you're not too worried about that.
Hey, Chris, just before you go off that slide, let me just make one point on the middle slide there, the median rental price over time. So this is, if you look at that light blue line, that is 2023. So we have all of the year's data. I would say that's a fairly typical year where you see it kind of like start low in January, peaks in June and July, and then kind of dips back in November and December. So I would say that's like kind of like normal-ish. You know, we haven't seen all that always in all these markets last year because it was a wild year. But just kind of a pro tip here is that when we get homes that come up for renewal in February, March, we're always looking to push those people to May, June, July cycle so that you can really optimize your rents. Because if you look just at seasonality alone, like if you, on average, if you rent your home in 2023 in Fishers, you're going to get roughly $2,000 a month. If you wait till July, you're going to get $2,200 a month. That is just seasonality. That is a 10% swing just based on the time of year when you rent it. So if you are doing this correctly, just by shifting your renewal cycle, you can add to your return on your investment without putting any money or doing anything other than just saying, hey, do you want a 16-month lease or an 18-month renewal? So just wanted to comment on that, how much of a difference that can make.
What an excellent point. And in fact, we should mark this as that would be another great video to add. You know,
Yeah.
how to maximize your rent
Ooh, yeah.
simply by intentionally adding another month of vacancy or something,
Yeah.
you know, something along those lines, how much you could really pay off.
How to add 10% to your bottom line without spending a penny.
Yeah, by adjusting your lease start date.
Yep.
Love
Boom.
that. What
Boom.
great advice. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for sharing that. That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna move along here. We're on our second market report. We're gonna take up our viewers' whole day.
Oh, we're adding so much value. I mean, geez, we
That's
just
true.
$200 a
That's a good
month.
point.
Geez.
All right, we kind of we kind of touched on these already, so not much to speak on here. So we're going to move this along. Active homes in the market, we're up. Active homes, of course. There's a lot of new construction going on in this area, as well as the Noblesville market, which is just north of this, which we're about to get into. And everyone knows I love that even more than I have ever loved Fishers.